Today I'm going to be adding a little bit more compost to the plants out here, and the reason for that, well, a couple of reasons. You can see one, they're kind of sinking down, so the material is being used up and all of that, but the plants could use a little bit of extra food. And second, well, I just got a lot of extra compost. Now I'm going to add some nutrients back into the soil. You always have to give back to your plants. So we're going to be adding some. I've done a couple of boxes here already, and as you can see, it's basically the same kind of things that we've been adding before, but this is raw compost. This is directly out of the composter, unfiltered, and here's kind of how I'm doing that. I got my wheelbarrow out here, and I've loaded up my filter on top with the raw compost, and then I'm kind of sifting through, making a little bit of less work as best I can, and going through picking out like this little pieces of trash and stuff that's always in there. So get that, but then what I'm going to do is I'm filtering this, and I've got the really best stuff down in the wheelbarrow now, and then this stuff still has some of the good compost in it, but as well it's just good mulch. And I'll take this and just put that into the garden here in the plants, and then I'll take a little more and kind of shovel that, and you can see there's a lot more dirt in here, a lot more good compost material. And I'm going to just kind of shovel that around a little bit, and shuffle that around, I guess is the better word. And it's still got some sticks in here. We had a lot of roses in the compost a while back, and this still got, now this is a piece that's kind of recognizable. I don't know what it is, but looks like maybe a piece of cauliflower, or I don't know what it is, but it's something that's pretty recognizable. So I'm just setting that over here to the side, along with little pieces of glass and other big pieces of stuff that I'm finding in there. And then just take this again, and along with some of the good composted earth, and just putting that in around the plants. And then when we water this, then this will get, that stuff will go ahead and move down and give the nutrients back into the plants. But the second piece is that I'm filling this up and kind of leveling it out, which will add more water retention as well as weed control. So this is a good thing to do once in a while. We do it about every time we get a good load of compost over there. And then I'm going to have another video here in a little bit of how we're hopefully going to save the some of the garden that we put in some really bad compost before, and it was not compost. Guy said it was, but this is what our garden has turned out to be, and we didn't have enough of our own compost. So we're going to make a video on that. Watch for that video on how I'm going to add this kind of mulch with good known organic compost into that garden, and hopefully we're going to get to see it grow back up. So watch for those videos, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you soon.